Okay, now our application is almost complete, yeah, but let's finish it by adding some, actually a button, yeah. Here, let's add a button. Yeah, this is called an FAB, yeah, floating action button. If we click this plus button, then now our main activity serve a purpose, yeah. We will add a new movie here, and when we click add new movie, yeah, then we go back to the movie list activity, and the new movie is displayed in a new card. Okay, now we will add an FAB. It requires an icon, so let's do similarly with the delete icon. Yeah, right click on your drawable, then select vector asset. Now search for add. Okay, add is simply a plus button. Okay, click OK, click next, click finish. Yeah, now we add the FAB within our activity movie list. Okay, yeah. So FAB is an example of what we call the call to action or CTA button. So FAB is used to provide the important action for our activity. Yes. So for example, in Gmail, yeah, in the inbox section, you will get the new email FAB at the usually at the bottom right side of your screen. Yeah, FAB will be explained in more detail on the material design topic. You know, but for now, we will use it as it is. Yeah. So open the activity movie list. Where is it? Activity movie list. Okay, I will open it from here. Activity movie list. Okay, now add an FAB. It should be in the button. Yeah, this one, floating action button. And immediately select the plus icon. Yeah, and you will get like this. Then just add the constraint. Oh, to where it is constraint. Yeah, I will just provide it manually then. Over here and over here. Let's give it a 24 dp margin. Okay, and ID FAB new. FAB new, new. I will call it FAB new movie. Yeah? Okay, refactor. Now for the listener, it is the very same as a regular button listener. Yeah, so we'll just use set on click listener. Okay, in the movie list activity, this one. Listener for FAB. FAB new movie dot set on click listener as usual. Then okay, start activity intent. I will immediately call start activity. Start activity with a new intent. Intent this. Then the target is main activity, yeah, class Java. Okay, now at the main activity, yeah, we have long not touched the main activity. For the submit button, yeah, we will delete this, yeah, or if you want, yeah, you can comment them, and we will change it to add the new movie to our array list. Yeah, so take the title, take the rating, show date, and URL. Yeah, this is only part of the movie data. Yeah, later, please complete the movie class yourself. Yeah. Then we add to the movie list. yeah, to the movie array list, add the movie number, and then call finish. What is actually finish? Yeah, if you remember, yeah, in the backstack, we already have the movie list activity. So if we want to go back to the movie list activity, yeah, there is no need to create a new intent, yeah, or else this main activity will also be added to the backstack, which we don't really want. Yeah, we want to immediately go back to the movie list activity. Yeah, therefore we can simply just call finish. Yeah, finish simply means that we are finished with this activity and please go back to the previous activity in the topmost activity on the backstack. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, we will collect the title, rating, show date, and URL. Okay, var title is edit title dot text dot toString, and then show date, edit show date text toString again. For the rating, we will use if radio everyone is selected is selected, then it is everyone. Else if radio major or radio PG is selected, then parental guidance. Else we will assume that major is selected. Yeah, major. Last for the URL. Okay, var URL is from the edit URL text to string. Now we will create a new movie. Yeah, this is optional. I will create a new temporary object movie. Okay, the correct order is title, rating, show date, and show date, and URL. Yeah, as you can see here, we have the fifth parameter IMDb URL, which is currently does not exist in the form. Yeah, so either you want to provide an empty string here, yeah, or for simplicity, I will change the movie constructor. Yeah, I will default this to an empty string instead. Okay, now I have created my temporary movie object. I will add it to the global data. Global data movies add. Now I want to add my movie. And for the global data dot movie number plus plus. And lastly, we call finish. Yeah, that's all for the button submit listener. Yeah, and then it is your job to actually complete this application. Yeah, so when, let's see, okay, yeah, for now, yeah, when you finish this main activity, you will go back to the movie list activity, right? Now it's your job to actually add this new movie to the cart. Yeah. Now remember, if we click not finish, yeah, what is the button? Yeah, we have long not opened our main activity. So let's see. When we click on add new movie, yeah, then the main activity is closed, is finished. Yeah, because of this. And then we have global data movies already added a new movie. Then when we go back to the movie list activity, there should be a new card over there. Yeah. how to actually do that. Yeah, if you remember the life cycle of activity, yeah, when it is paused, yeah, for example, because a new activity covers the whole window, then it is go to the pause state. Yeah, when we go back to the activity, then on resum will be called. Yeah, so actually we will be able to override on resum here, on resum, and then for now let's leave the super on resum. Yeah, we must tell the adapter to refresh itself. Yeah, so recycler adapter, recycler view, sorry, recycle view dot adapter. Let's try to notify dataset changed. Yeah, this way. Okay, let's try not to do this first. Yeah, let's see without notifying the recycle view that the adapter has changed. Yeah, does the new movie show? Yeah, will the cut, will the recycle view shows the new movie? Okay, let's do this. Let's try adding a new movie. I will fill in only the title. Okay. Okay, let's see what movie. Yeah, Stand by Me, Doraemon, for example. And then the rating is everyone. I don't really need to set the URL, the genre, but we should set the movie poster. Let's search for the image. Sorry, not video. Okay, maybe let's use maybe this one. Oops, not copy image, copy the URL because we need it over here. Hopefully it's a JPEG. Okay, nice. Add new movie. Now, is my new movie Stand By Me Doraemon is here? Yes, it is. Yeah, but how is it measured? I think I selected everyone. Okay, let me add another one. Okay, I will set the rating to everyone, and then again paste, add new movie, and as you can see here, oh maybe because it's the same object. Yeah, I will delete this one first. Delete and delete again. Oh, actually, there are two Stand By Me Doraemon movies. Yeah, but they are all major. Let me check my main activity first then. Okay, if the let's where is it? Yeah, if the radio general is checked. Oh, I'm sorry. I use is selected. Yeah, is checked. Yeah, the correct one is use checked, not is selected. Yeah, so and as you can see here, I don't really need to notify my data set. Yeah, I can safely delete my on resum then. And let's try again. Yeah, this time the rating should be correct. Okay, I will add my new movie Stand By Me Doraemon, which is everyone. Then the movie poster URL is Is checked. Okay, I will copy the image again, paste and save. Hopefully my standby meter Doraemon is there and it is for everyone. Okay, nice. Yeah, you may want to add another movie then. I will just randomize the some entries for the movie poster. I will leave it the same and add it. Now, yeah, we have some problems here. Yeah, my latest movie is not displayed. So let's try it. Yeah, how if we override the on resum function? Yeah, on resum, and now we will force the adapter for the recycle view. Yeah, that to notify itself that the content has changed. Yeah, recyclerView dot adapter dot notify dataset changed. And let's see if the new movie is displayed correctly. Okay, error only save or none, no null. Okay, yeah, just change it like this, yeah, null dot. I will explain it later when we learn about nullable object. Yeah, for now, just follow like this. Yeah, adapter question mark followed by dot. Okay, my data should not be there. I will enter my standby meter M1 first. Rating is everyone. The URL. Oops. Yeah, the URL is over here. Add new movie over there. Now I will add another movie with the same image. Add new movie and yes, yeah, it's over there. Okay, let's try for the last time. Let's use another movie. Yeah, for simplicity, I will use the second movie. Yeah, Stand By Me to M1 2, which is yeah. Well, maybe I will use this one. Copy Stand By Me to M1 second. It's again everyone. The URL is over here. It is on JPEG, so I think it's fine. Add new movie and okay, nice. Yeah. Now every new movie will be displayed in the recycler view. Yeah, because now we force our recycler view to notify itself that the dataset has been changed. Yeah, so if you encounter the same problem as mine, then please override the onResum function. Yeah, something like this. Okay, I think that's all about the FAP. So it's very simple to use. Yeah. Now for UBAYA students, yeah, as usual, you have a CE. Please screenshot the movie adapter. That is one movie adapter. I will collapse this. Oops, collapse. Yeah, please screenshot this one. You don't really need to screenshot all of them. Yeah, just part of them will be fine. Yeah, as long as you follow the usual convention for taking a screenshot for your CE. Yeah, and then the movie list activity, the KT, and the layout as well. Where is my layout? Yeah, the layout and the main activity. Main activity focus on the submit on click listener. Yeah, like this. And if you can't really display your package name, just make sure that the package name on the left side of your Android Studio is showing the full name of your package. Yeah, you can screenshot it like this. And as usual, you can submit it to Classroom on the stipulated deadline. Okay, then that's all about today. Yeah, we have learned a lot about Android UI components. Yeah, for today's topic. Yeah, for the final part of this mini series, we have learned about how to use a RecyclerView. Yeah, to display a data in a list. Then we have also used a web view, yeah, to render any web pages inside our application. Then we have also created an alert dialog to alert a user, then select any action. Then lastly, we have added FAP, yeah, for an important action in our current activity. Yeah, there are so many other UI components in Android, yeah, but I think everything that we have learned for these 3 weeks, yeah, is sufficient for you to create your own sophisticated Android application, yeah, and of course, you can learn about many other UI components. Yeah, for example, here we have maybe some chip group or chips. Yeah, just learn it on your own. Toggle button, switch, maybe a progress bar, yeah, and then sig bar, dating bar, and so on. Yeah, so many UI components for you to use on your application. Yeah, I hope you are encouraged now to create or experiment to create your own Android applications. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for joining with me. Yeah. Should you have any questions, as usual, for UBAYA students, you can ask me on the Hangouts group chat, or for everyone else, you can ask me on the comment section below. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for joining with me from the beginning to the very end. Yeah, I'll see you next time. See you again. Please be safe and be healthy as always. Yeah, bye-bye.